Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle. In the puzzle page, not in today's newspaper. It's Monday, February the 19th, 2024. Told you earlier, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, only regular puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the evening of the weekend edition. Weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 17th and 18th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 2-star Sudoku. And yeah, well, it's a 3 stars, but actually it's a 1 star. Yeah. Anyway, we have one puzzle left in this puzzle page, and we have also 3 puzzles left in the additional. But let me solve this one. The binary. Yes, let me zoom this. Zoom. All right. This one will be number 8034. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Okay, now the double O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 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 Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Now. Between the 1s comes an O. Well, this one, I need to think. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and this should be the 5th O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, number 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Alright. And now we need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. If I place the 5th O there, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an 1. This can be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, O. We have 5 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. O and a 1. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. double O, here one, there one, between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, between two ones comes an O. Now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Finished in 5 minutes. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the weekend edition. Until then, bye bye for now.